Okay, so we will be working with the quadratic formula, okay, and this actually equals x. And you don't have to have this memorized because it'll be given to you, but it is important to know how it works. So let's say we have an equation like this: x squared minus 14x plus 48 equals 0. Now it's in standard form, so I'm good. I don't have to worry about putting it equal to 0. It has to be equal to 0 though, if I want to get a, b, and c. So if I look here in front of a, then I'm going to get 1, right? Because right here there's a 1, even though we don't see it. Then if I look here for b, it's right here. Okay, that's b. And then if I look for c, same thing. Gonna look here for c. Okay. So and all these are, you should know how to identify these by just looking, as long as it's equal to 0. Okay. So I know that a is equal to 1, and b is equal to negative 14, and c is equal to 48. And if I go back and I look at this, this is what I'm going to plug everything into, this whole equation here. Okay. So for a, let's see, I have 1, so let me plug in 1 here. Let me plug in a 1 here. For b, I have negative 14, so I need to plug in a negative 14 and a negative 14. And then for c, I have 48, so I need to plug in 48. And that's just to match everything. Now from this, I need to be able to simplify. And I need to make sure that I follow PEMDAS, which is, the order of operations. So I put everything in. I've got 14 here. It's been put in and it's been simplified because a negative and a negative makes a positive. Okay, this was squared, it became positive. And then it's subtracted by this here. So now this thing here, right here, okay, is called the discriminant. It's the stuff that's underneath this square root house. Okay, so the stuff under the house. So I go ahead and I do that math and I get 4. So that means it's a positive number. Okay, I can put that 4 back, so that 4 is still under the house. So now I have 14 plus or minus the square root of 4 divided by 2. Okay. Once I do that, well, I can simplify that square root of 4, right? Because the square root of 4 is 2. So now I have 14 plus or minus 2 over 2. 14 plus 2 over 2 gives me 16 over 2, which tells me that one of my answers is x equals 8. And then 14 minus 2 over 2 gives me 12 over 2, which tells me one of my answers is x equals 6. And this is how you find the roots or the solutions to a quadratic. That's it.